I returned to Kathmandu after 6 years, and I find that politics is still prevalent. But lots of other things are changing. And religion is still active. And manual labor remains. Small vendors still thrive. As does sports. A balance of control and chaos. Time to go to Pokhara. Rest stop entertainment. Pokhara is the jump-off point for Annapurna treks. Meet Ollie and Cassie, my trekking volunteers.
Did you finish all your administration?
Yeah.
Why we go up?
We start the trek at Fedi.
At some point we gotta find out what the name of this town is. This is Damascus?
Ollie has a new and squeaky backpack.
That's what I like. You teach them early to work for a living. Wait, you have a nice room or not so nice?
Yeah, nice room.
How's your room?
She said not so nice.